Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Access 57 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage, and one of this is the aspect ratio option. So by using this button we can manage it. By tapping on this we can change the ratio from 4:3, which is now, to 16:9, so this is the longer one. As you can see, this is how it changes. When I tap on this once again, we go to 1:1 ratio, so the square one, this is how it looks like. And of course, by tapping on this once again, we can easily go back to the original 4:3. And that's all, this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave the thumbs up.